Hello students, welcome to Sant Tukaram National Model School's YouTube channel. Myself, Mr. Abhilash Jadhav, and once again I welcome you for the 5th standard science, where we are going to learn a brand new lesson, and the lesson is about space travel. It's about space and it's about the astronauts. So dear students, he knows that man is courageous, and because of his intelligence and because of his thirst to gain, to acquire, and to learn new things, to get the new knowledge, because of his knowledge or because of his thirst of the knowledge, we have achieved so many things, we have invented so many things, we have discovered so many things. This thirst also has led him to examine and reveal the mysteries of the space. Okay, we went deep into the ocean to find out the new world, new aquatic world, and we also went into the up into the sky, into the space, to explore it and to know the mysteries of the space. And because of his knowledge, because of his thirst of the acquiring knowledge, and because of his courage, today we know so many different things about the space. So what is space? Space is everywhere and around us. That is the space. Space involves the entire universe, in which all the planets are there, sun is there, the moon is there, and planets as our mother earth, motherland, where we live, that earth is one of the planet, it is also included into the space. So many stars are there, and so many known and unknown things are also included in the space. Man's curiosity about the knowing the space and its mysteries is quite natural. Indian and world mythology and the literature are full of about the comics about the legends and the adventures of the space. From the beginning of the time, man has fascinated with stars and the sky. Since means we have the attraction about the stars and about the planets and about the other planetary bodies since from the childhood and since from the beginning of the time. Since the first man took his first step on the moon, the Neil Armstrong, you know that the first person to step onto the moon, the search for the space has been increasing day by day and has expanded since that time. So dear students, we will be learning more about the space travel, more about the space. So first of all, we will try to understand what is meant by space. So the area outside the earth, okay, outside, you know, our earth has bounded with the layer of the various gases. This layer of the thick layer of the gases is called as the atmosphere. So beyond, if you go beyond the earth's atmosphere, whatever you will find out, that is nothing but the space. So area outside the earth's atmosphere, that is space. What is there in space? There are various objects are there, like stars are there, moon is there, different planets are there. So all these things are called as the planetary bodies. So all these planetary bodies are placed in the space. Okay, space is the quiet place. There is no noise as we have here on the earth. No one can hear you in the space. Why? Because no atmosphere is not there, nothing is there to carry the sound, and that's why it is a quiet place. Okay, certain space facts, interesting facts I would like to share with you. There is no atmosphere in the space, as I said, which means that sound has no medium to carry it. The second thing is that of all the planets in our solar system, 8 planets are there. Apart from our planet where we live, where life exists, that is the Earth, Mars is the most likely to be have the life. Means there are the possibilities are there that the life can sustain on the Mars. So in this video, we'll stop here. In the next part of the video, we'll see some interesting things. I'll try to let you know more about the space and the space facts. Thank you so much.